Hi, yesterday many of them requested to make the video in English, so today I plan to make the video. So, what is the meaning of scalping? Scalping is nothing but quickly entering into the trade and quickly exiting from the trade in simple language, if I want to say. So, all the tools we will be using in this technique is VWAP, that is your average price, weighted average price, and pivot point standard, RSI, relative strength index, and EMA period 9, exponential moving average period 9. You can use either 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Let me convey the technique in 5 minutes chart. So what all tools we'll need is VWAP and RSI, relative strength index. Third is pivot point standard. Sorry, pivot point standard, this thing, and moving average 9, exponential moving average 9. So I have already plotted them. Now first what you have to do is you have to move this EMA 9 to panel below. So move to existing pane below. Now what will be our buy setup and sell setup conditions? The price should be above VWAP and RSI should be above EMA 9, right? For this technique, what you have to do is search the stocks. Suppose, let me take this thing. So how you will get the stocks? You can either any stock you are watching, any stock, I can say any, even index futures also. If these conditions are satisfied, you can take whatever conditions I'll teach you. And if you want to find the stocks better, you see the top gainers and top losers, and you will get the list. So what you have to do is whenever your VWAP, this VWAP, the closing price, this candle, 5 minutes candle closes above VWAP, and your yellow line is your EMA 9 and purple is your RSI. So your EMA 9 should be should be below RSI, or RSI should be above EMA 9. So this condition is satisfied, and the closing here, uh, the 5 minutes candle gave above VWAP. So what you can do as a scalper, you can take the entry quickly here, and whatever points, see, for a scalper, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, it matters. So they deal in quantity, actually. They don't wait for long time. So you can take entry here and let it go till any reversal is found. See, here you are finding a reversal signal, better to exit here. There are three ways you can exit. One is whenever the RSI is cutting. See, here the RSI is cutting the EMA 9, crossing, I mean to say. So it is crossing here, so you can exit here around this candle. Or second way is whenever your EMA, the price is crossing your VWAP. The white line is your VWAP. So the price is crossing VWAP, you can exit. Third is, suppose you got entry above pivot, or anyway, if you got here, you can keep target of pivot, and if it sustains, you can keep R1, and same way R2, R3. Understood? So this is the three ways you can take entries. So you can see you got the entry around 12,659, and you can see the price went up to 1271 in around 10-15 minutes. 20 minutes. So you got a good target. Let's check in another stock, Wipro. See, just now, yesterday video I have shown few other stocks, so I thought, why can't we see some other new stocks? So see, what was our condition? Our condition one was the VWAP closing. Here the candle gave above VWAP closing. So you can do is you can enter here, and your condition 2 should be uh, EMA, RSI should be above EMA 9. That two matched. Third thing, always remember this. I want to say, in the last example in Balakrishna Industries, I did not find that thing, but always remember, if you are getting entry above pivot, So it is actually good entry, I can say, and you can expect a good target. So you see, you got entry here 285. You can, what according to pivot points, what targets you can keep? You can keep R1, and if it is sustaining R2, R2 is also sustaining R3. So second thing, what did I say? Whenever your VWAP is being crossed by the price, you can exit. Or third one is whenever RSI is crossing this thing, uh, अपना EMA 9, then you can exit. These are the three ways you can exit. And what about the stop loss? The stop loss is the whichever candle. See, this candle has crossed na same candle. Just give 0.10 or 0.20% stop loss. Buffer लगा देना. Keep a buffer on it and leave the trade. Same way, let's see in Dabur. Dabur, somewhere did we get any entry? Yeah. Okay, see, for a scalper, what did I say? You don't have to wait whole day. Candle gave close above this, and your RSI is above this EMA 9, and you can take entry here by keeping stop loss of this candle with a buffer, and you can see around you have got entry for 495 and see 500, around 5 rupees you have got in 15 minutes. So scalper plays in a quantity. Let's see in start transfin. Did we get any big target? Okay. Candle closed here. So you could have taken entry in this candle with the buffer of this candle 0.10 or 0.20%, and see around you got entry of around 634, and price continuously moved till 645. But all three ways you can do is, one is your next pivot point targets you can keep, second is your VWAP exit point you can keep, or third is the best is, I feel, this one, RSI crossing uh, EMA 9. There that is the best time to exit actually. What I do normally. So let's see a sell setup. Sell, what will be sell setup? It will be opposite of the our buy setup. So see, now what you will do is you have to enter below 5 minutes candle. First of all, the price should be below RSI closing 5 minutes candle. So the closing price of this 5 minutes candle is below VWAP. Sorry, below VWAP, and your RSI should be below uh, EMA 9. Condition 2 satisfied. Now what you have to do is you have to enter the closing. Once it gives closing, you can enter the in the next candle, uh, at, and you can keep the stop loss of the high of this candle with some buffer. Always keep some buffer points, and you can see the movement which it gave. And same three ways to exit. One is this RSI crossing EMA, and second is this, you can keep S1, S2, S3 targets, and third is your moving averages. Any way you can exit. Or if you are for a scalper, even 1 rupee matters. If you are dealing in 5,000 quantity, 1 rupee you get 5,000 rupees. So every penny counts for a scalper. Let's see another example so that you get a clear idea. uh, Around, yeah, see, this is the VWAP. The candle has closed below VWAP, and you can take the entry here by putting a buffer. Three ways to exit. And one more condition which you have to see is your EMA should be above RSI, or RSI should be below your EMA 9, and you can see the movement which it has give. Chalo, let's see one more example. ICICI Purli. Yeah, see, the candle gave here. You should have entered here, and around the conditions, all the conditions are matched, as RSI is also below EMA 9, and price has closed given below this thing, and you can see the movement which the stock gave. Another stock we can see is IndusLand Bank. In the morning itself, 9:25 you have got the entry. See, it gave closing, so you could have entered here by putting a buffer 0.10, 0.20%. All the conditions are matched. VWAP can below closing, and your this RSI is below EMA 9, and you can see the movement. Thank you. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep loving. I hope understood. If you have not understood, you can contact me in any of the